Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my new video. In this video, I am going to show you how to insert a View Master text box in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Word document. Now we want to insert a View Master text box in this document. Go to the Insert menu. Then click the text box option. And we can see here many text box. We find and select the View Master text box and click it. Now we can see we insert the View Master text box very easily. You can edit the text on the text box. Otherwise you can write the source. Now we can see we insert and edit the View Master text box very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.